Okie dokie, here we go on calculating your semester grade. So X is the first 9 weeks, Y the second. These are averages. F's going to stand for your final exam, and S is for your semester average. So here's your formula. S equals 0.4X plus 0.4Y plus 0.2F. And if you have an old calculator, it's going to say 0 when you go to equation solver and enter this. So my suggestion is to take that formula and do math. On this calculator, solver is at math C. On the older calculators, it's at math 0. So like on this one, you would be at math 0. And it would say equation solver. And notice it starts off with 0 equals. So if you're 0 equals, put this in. Just use your alpha keys to get the Y, the F, and the S. If you're the newfangled calculator, then put it in this way. Okay, so now I've got my formula in here. And when you go down here, notice you get all 4 variables. So let's say somebody made 87 the first 9 weeks, and then they still held on to their B the second 9 weeks, and they want to wind up with at least a B. So what grade would they need on the final exam? Alpha enter, they would need a 60. Here's the one that scares me. They got a 72, 3, and they come in here to the final and they flunk the thing. Then you go to semester average, you do alpha, enter, and solve right there. They make a 65 for the semester. You better be careful. And then we get questions. Yes, I got a 95 and a 94. Now I want to make sure I keep my A, alpha, enter. You would need a 72 on the final to keep your A. So play with that however you want to. You can find what your own grades are, you know. I mean, think about this, and you had 85 and 85, and you made 45 on the final. You could lose your B. Maybe you won't, but you might. You sure did. Your semester average is 77. If you want to make sure you keep at least a B, you need a 60 to do that. Okay, so you can figure your own grade out. You can use this for any class you take at our school because we do 40%, 40%, and 20%. And we're over and out.